What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you a new video on a strut replacement for my Toyota Camry. If you want to go ahead and take a look, I'm going to show you right now. So this is what it looks like from down here. As you can see, the little boot is all cracked and it's been leaking. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and replace it today. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and disconnect the speed sensor. Just grab your drill, take that out real quick. Alright, make sure to hold on to your bolts in a safe place just so you know where everything goes. Disconnect that piece, take this piece.
We're going to take the other connector piece. This is connected to the strut right there. That's going to be a different one. This one's going to be a 12. A little too tight. Can't use that. Going to have to go ahead and use... Easy money, baby. Alright. Go ahead and disconnect this.
Okay, next we want to get those 3 strut tower bolts with the 14, so let's go ahead and get them out. Okay, and then once you get your new strut, you want to make sure they match up. So just take a look at them. Bottoms line up, and it looks like the tops are the same. They got the same holes, the 1, 2 on the left hand side. So everything looks the same, looks good. Okay, so if you're watching this right now, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I went ahead and went on a test ride, and the car feels amazing. I ended up changing the sway bar end links, and it wasn't that hard, but it was a bitch trying to take them off. So usually if you ever take off the sway bar end links, you would use a T6 head, and then you would also use a wrench to take it off. But in this case, they're already seized up. I had to heat it up first, and then I used locking jaw pliers to put it on the back, and I was able to impact them off. So like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.